more often than not with technician training, the workshops will actually cover the cost. And some of the workshops are a little bit reluctant because they don't want to train technicians who are maybe going to leave at some stage and take that knowledge away. What advice would you have for those technicians that were a little bit hesitant? And sorry, the workshops that were hesitant.
Make the investment. Make the investment in your people. Whether they leave or go, you got to have you want your technicians to be the best and be the most productive for you when they're at your workshop. So you got to make an investment in those people to make them good so they can be a benefit to you. They've got a free life. We don't own them. They got a willingness to move on in their life wherever they want to go. So even if when they leave you can walk away, well, see, I helped them. I helped them to get to where they are. I took a good part in their life of creating the technician that he's moved on. He's got opportunities elsewhere. So it's something to be proud of and not look at the negative side of some. I think less and less people are thinking that I'm not going to train them because it's going to cost me money. And if once they get good, they're going to leave me. I've heard that before, but I think that's totally wrong, a totally wrong attitude. We've got to do everything we can to inspire them and make them a better technician. And maybe they'll look at you and say, well, you've looked after me, so I'm going to look after you and I'm going to hang around for a long time.
There does seem to be a lot more loyalty in the workplace in the automotive industry these days with, equipment and facilities and, even accommodating work hours and family life and so forth. So with what you're saying, workshops really need to have a think about their attitude in order to retain that staff.
I think that's what it stems from the management of any business. Every good business needs a good leader or a team of leaders to run it. Otherwise, they're going to fail.